may I request our chief guest, Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh Ji, Honorable Governor of Uttarakhand, to kindly grace the stage and present the awards. Very warm welcome on stage, sir. The first award is Lifetime Achievement Award that is presented to an individual whose journey reflects excellence at the highest level. The award goes to Shri Zafar Iqbal Sahab, a name synonymous with Indian hockey, an Olympic gold medalist, and one of the finest forwards the country has produced. His contribution to Indian sport continues to inspire generations. The second award is, the category is Outstanding Contribution to the Preservation and Promotion of Indian Culture, and the award goes to Srimati Maitri Pahari, founder of Lok Chanda Cultural Unit. She has been instrumental in blending classical Kathak with the dynamic storytelling of Chhau, creating performances that are contemporary, rooted, and spiritually expressive. Please give her a big round of applause as she receives the award. The award in third category is for special recognition as a global leader in maritime sector, and it goes to Seven Islands Shipping Limited. May I request Shri Clayton Pinto, CEO, to kindly come on the stage and receive the award. Please bring your hands together as he receives the honor. Seven Islands Shipping Limited is a leading maritime company playing a critical role in India's energy logistics and shipping infrastructure, with a strong presence in coastal and international operations. Fourth award is for Growth and Performance Award for Facilitation in Service Sector. It goes to Superb Enterprises Private Limited. May I request Shri Afroz Ahmed Ji to kindly receive the award. Superb Enterprises Private Limited is a dynamic outsourcing and facilitation company serving as an authorized agency for document and certificate attestation. Next award is Special Recognition Award as a Global Business Leader, and it goes to Iris RegTech Solutions Limited. And to receive this award, may I request Shri K. Balachandran to kindly walk up to the dais. Iris RegTech Solutions Limited is a global leader in regulatory technology, helping business navigate compliance through innovative digital platforms and contributing significantly to finance and governance ecosystems. Next award is Special Recognition Award for Excellence in Manufacturing, and it goes to Shubham Tanks and Liners Limited. And to receive this award, may I request Shri Sumit Raina, who is the CEO, kindly walk up to the dais. And please bring your hands together as he receives the award. Shubham Tanks and Liners Limited specializes in manufacturing advanced storage solutions, playing a key role in industrial infrastructure with a focus on quality, durability, and innovation. Congratulations to all the awardees.